Akiaria thutha wa kugomana na nyiti itemi aria marakoretwo marikite mihango-ini ya guthorima icigo iria ikoretwo itoretio muno ni hithukira ria igunyu ici, Minista wa Arimi Willy Bettt augite ni maiguithaniirie na timu iria ikoretwo igitereba mihango eno bata wa gukorwo makihika mutaratara uyu.
I would have wished these traps to have been distributed very fast, but the issue was identification of the spots where the traps would be done.
Augite ona gutuika bata munene wa mitego eno ni guthaitira icigo iria itari irombanirwo ni igunyu ici, Ministry ya Urimi ni ireka uria wothe ngihota na niguo gutigirira mitego eno ndinakorwo igicerithirio na niguo gutigirira arimi ni mahota guteithika.
This morning I was with the representative of FAO, the people who we work together to come to fast track the identification so that these traps are made to help the population. So I have impressed upon him we fast track this implementation so that farmers can benefit from it.
Uhoro-ini wigi uguri wa iria ria mutu kuma nja ya bururi, Bettt augite ihinda-ini riria bururi uragomeirwo ni king'oki kia ng'aragu, bururi urari no kunderu wa tani 9,000, no nginya ihinda-ini riri kambuni ciothe wa iria ihotete kugura o tani 6,000.
And what we estimated to be the deficiency was 9,000 metric tons of border milk. And that is the amount which we told the processors to import. But as we speak now, they have imported close to 6,000 metric tons.
Augite kurumirira uingi wa irio uria ucungireirio ni uingi wa mahuti thutha wa mbura iria iriga guthandana, bururi ndurabatara iria ringi atangikorwo ni riricoka gubatarania matuko mokite.